Checking out a Hayward Prologic right here with we're getting chlorinator off, test salt level, check system, very low salt. So we're gonna do first, let's go into our diagnostics, push the right arrow, push the plus button, 15-second delay. Hit 0, showing 0 parts per million, 30 amps, or 30 volts, 0 amps. The T-cell 3 should give us between like 3 and 5 amps roughly, and we know the salt is not at 0. As we're taking care of this coral, and it was 3,000 parts per million last week. So typically when you get a false reading, the salt cell is going to be bad. So we're going to swap out the cell and see what we got. We've got 2 unions, so we're going to take apart this salt cell, turn the pump off, head off, and take the other union off. Got 2 little O-rings on these unions. I like to take a little bit of magic lube. Just put on those O-rings. It helps to prevent leaks when you put the new cell back on. New cell back on. Just tighten those back up nice and snug. Direction doesn't matter on these Hayward turbo cells, so I usually just try to put the cable back closest to the unit so it's easier to run it through. Got the new cell back on. Like I said, this is a T-cell 3. We're going to come back in here and the filter pump back on. We'll end up checking for leaks after the fact, but you scroll through here, it's still going to show you the salt level's low. It takes like a full cycle for it to register and calibrate. So give it a day or two before it comes up on that. You go back into your diagnostics, push the right arrow again, and sometimes you have to push the plus button, sometimes you don't. Now we've got a longer delay. So now, salt level is incredibly high. It looks like the homeowner tossed in a bunch of salt when it's giving them their false reading. The amperage is actually a little bit high now because our salt level is high, but we know the cell's working and our volts are back down to 26. So looks like the salt cell was indeed bad and the new salt cell replaced it. We'll just have to add fresh water and flush out the old water so you're getting salt level down. That's about all you can do. It looks like it's working out and I'll fix the issue.